Primarily in the construction industry, but we've got arms in a few different areas. So major infrastructure projects such as working on motorways. So we've been heavily involved in the HS2 project as well as another major infrastructure project. We're also involved with processing material in quarries. So it's everything from blasting, crushing, screening to get different aggregates into different grades. There's also, we're a named dealer for the Metso brand as well as Telestack and Terex washing systems. So we will be selling the quarry machinery as well as the parts to maintain them. We have an engineering arm which maintains our own equipment as well as third parties. And then we offer a turnkey service as well, which does everything from the design, manufacturing to the installation and potential running of quarry plant and machinery. Really concentrating on the major infrastructure and processing arms of the business. Our IT infrastructure is going through a major overhaul at the moment. We're trying to consolidate and get all our data into fewer places, so as to make it easier to manage, add more efficiencies, and Salesforce is really going to help with that, with the maintenance of data, of our customer contacts, moving away from independent and silo-driven processes such as Outlook and little black books all over the place, and then also vastly increasing our reporting capabilities as well. We've gone through the whole process with yourselves in Parlour, and the support that we've had throughout, from project management with May to the implementation and setup with yourself, Brett, and Holly for the marketing piece has been really straightforward. The problem areas were exactly the things that I was expecting, which was more us collating data to send to you. Everything that you've done's been, on time and incredibly efficient and to a great standard, and it's been really easy to keep up with everything with the weekly project meetings. So.